Hi, you alright, mate?
Hi, yeah. My key is only working from one side.
Okay,
That
let's have a look. Ah, yeah, you can see it there. That piece there, that's snapped. Yeah, we'll work on getting that one the same as the other side. Cool. Safety first. Get that locked in. So we've left this a lot higher, so we can take that down to match. Start gauging the keys. Perfect.
Listen, be as good as mine.
Of course it is. Keys ready. What we've done, we've just built this cut back up. That should now work from both sides. So it's just been snapped off there, so I'd get rid of that as soon as you can.
perfect.
Okay?
Yeah.
Cheers, mate.
Thanks.
Thank you very much. Thank you.